Hello guys, today I will show you how to get your Monzo bank statement. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Monzo application. Now, simply click on the current account option at the top. When you click on your current account, it will show up this page. Here, you will see your account details. Simply click on the option that says Statement History under Statements. Now, this will take you to another page where you can choose a custom date range. So, under statement history, you can see the last 3 full months statement, all time statement, or you can choose to see a date range under which your statement will be shown. So, choose custom date range and click on the from option, choose a date, and in the to option, choose a date. Then click on export statement. After you click on export statement, it is going to show you this page. Here, you will see that you get the option to download different kind of file formats that will be for your statement. So you can choose your bank statement to be downloaded in PDF, CSV or QIF. Simply choose any option that you want to download it in and it will instantly download your bank statement on your mobile phone. Now you can simply navigate to My Files and search for the file that got downloaded, that is your bank statement. So that is the simple way through which you can get your Monzo bank statement. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.